मेरी बात सुनो। लिसन टू मी। लिसन टू मी। कौन जाने। हु नोज। हु नोज। वापस जाओ। गो बैक। गो बैक। तुम जा सकते हो। यू कैन गो नाउ। यू कैन गो नाउ। पानी गंदा है। द वाटर इज़ डर्टी। द वाटर इज़ डर्टी। वह किसान है। ही इज़ अ फार्मर। ही इज़ अ फार्मर। मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ़ नहीं करूँगा। आई विल नेवर फॉरगिव यू। आई विल नेवर फॉरगिव यू। मुझे जाना है। आई हैव टू गो। आई हैव टू गो। तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए। What should you do? What should you do? अपना मोबाइल चार्ज कर लो। चार्ज योर मोबाइल। चार्ज योर मोबाइल। तुमने क्या किया। What did you do? What did you do? कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything can happen. Anything can happen. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. तुम्हें जो करना है करो। Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. मुझे फिर से दिखाओ। Show me again. Show me again. उसे क्या पसंद है। What does he like? What does he like? वह खेल रहा है। He is playing. He is playing. मुझे देखने दो। Let me see. Let me see. अंदर इंतज़ार करो। Wait inside. Wait inside. तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं। How much money do you have? How much money do you have? यह तुम्हारा फैसला था, मेरा नहीं। It was your decision, not mine. It was your decision, not mine. यह तुम्हारा नहीं है। It's not yours. It's not yours. तुम कहाँ गए थे। Where did you go? Where did you go? तुम कैसे जाओगे। How will you go? How will you go? मैं खा चुका हूँ। I have eaten. I have eaten. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. आपको कैसे पता। How do you know? How do you know? आज बहुत गर्मी है। It's very hot today. It's very hot today. मैं जाने ही वाला था। I was about to go. I was about to go. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Do not lie to me. Do not lie to me. तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है. Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? यहाँ से चले जाओ. Get out of here. Get out of here. सब तैयार है. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. ध्यान दीजिए. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. माफ़ करें, आपको कष्ट हुआ. Sorry you were hurt. Sorry you were hurt. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. आराम से बैठिए. Sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. आप मुझे बोलने दो. You let me speak. You let me speak. आपने हम पर बहुत कृपा की. You have shown great kindness to us. You have shown great kindness to us. सोचने के लिए वक्त दीजिए. Give time to think. Give time to think. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Pleasure meeting you. Pleasure meeting you. उसने जानबूझकर आपको चोट पहुंचाई. He knowingly hurt you. He knowingly hurt you. यह अनजाने में हुआ. It happened unknowingly. It happened unknowingly. मैं सड़क पार कर रहा था. I was crossing the road. I was crossing the road. मैं मौत से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of death. I am not afraid of death. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. तुम्हारी ऐसा करने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you do so? How dare you do so? मैं तुम्हारे बिना अकेला हूँ. I am lonely without you. I am lonely without you. मैं रोज तुम्हारी तस्वीर देखता हूँ. I look at your picture every day. I look at your picture every day. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मैं आपको परसों सुबह मिलूँगा. I will meet you the day after tomorrow morning. I will meet you the day after tomorrow morning. आज तुम्हारा जन्मदिन है. Today is your birthday. Today is your birthday. क्या मुझे एक गिलास पानी मिल सकता है? Can I get a glass of water? Can I get a glass of water? तुम इतना काम मत करो, थक जाओगे. Don't work so much, you will get tired. Don't work so much, you will get tired. मुझे बहुत ज़ोर से भूख लगी है. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. तुम खामखा परेशान हो रहे हो. Are you really worried? Are you really worried? अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. उसे तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है. He needs your help. He needs your help. घर केवल 20 मिनट की दूरी पर है. The house is only 20 minutes away. The house is only 20 minutes away. मैं उन्हें अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. I know him well. I know him well. मेरे आने से पहले यहाँ कौन रहता था? Who lived here before I came? Who lived here before I came? तुम्हें जाने से पहले बताना चाहिए था. You should have told me before leaving. You should have told me before leaving. हम दोनों एक दूसरे के पड़ोसी हैं. We both are neighbors of each other. We both are neighbors of each others. आपने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? तुमने उसे गलत समझा. You misunderstood him. You misunderstood him. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He has cheated me. He has cheated me. तुमने कहा था मैं तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. You said I will support you. You said I will support you. मुझे अब इसकी आदत सी हो गई है. I have become used to it now. I have become used to it now. तुम कुछ भी करो मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter to me. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter to me. हमें यह करने के लिए वक्त चाहिए. We need time to do this. We need time to do this. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम मुझसे अच्छा कर सकती हो. I know you can do better than me. I know you can do better than me. आज तपतपाती गर्मी है. It is scorching hot today. It is scorching hot today. वह बहुत बातें करती है. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. तुम मेरे हमनाम हो. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am true to my words. I am true to my words. मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I spend a lot. I spend a lot. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मुझे आजकल पैसे की दिक्कत है. I am having money problems these days. I am having money problems these days. उनकी एक आँख खराब है. He has blind of one eye. He has blind of one eye. यह एक अच्छा बहाना है. This is a good excuse. This is a good excuse. मैं सारा दिन खाली था. I was free the whole day. I was free the whole day. मेरा छोटा भाई अपनी मर्जी का मालिक है. My younger brother is the master of his own will. My younger brother is the master of his own will. मैं अपने मन की करता हूँ. I do what I want. I do what I want. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I have pain in my hand. I have pain in my hand. कैसे आना हुआ. What brings you here? What brings you here? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए. What did you come here? What did you come here? इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference? तुम्हें यह गिफ्ट कैसा लगा. How did you like this gift? How did you like this gift? मैं शहर से बाहर था. I was out of city. I was out of city. वे अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाए. He could not stop his tears. He could not stop his tears. हम अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक पाए. We couldn't stop laughing. We couldn't stop laughing. वह अपनी हंसी को रोक नहीं सकी. She could not control her laugh. She could not control her laugh.